Hello. Is your Bose speaker running low on juice? Let's get it charged up quickly and correctly so you can keep the music going. Let's jump right in. How do you know if your speaker needs charging? The first option is if it does not turn on. If the speaker is working, you can simply check the battery status by pressing the power button and holding it for 3 to 4 seconds. To use this feature, you should first enable voice prompts by holding the volume plus and minus buttons for a few seconds.
Voice prompts on.
If your battery percentage is below 20, it's time to charge the speaker. Find the USB-C port. Locate the USB-C charging port on your Bose SoundLink Flex. Connect the USB-C cable. Use the USB-C cable that came with your speaker. If you've misplaced it, any high-quality USB-C cable will work. Plug into power source. Connect the other end of the USB-C cable to a USB charger or a USB port on your computer or power bank. Charging indication. Once connected, the battery indicator on the speaker will show the charging status. It typically blinks during charging and turns solid when fully charged. It will take 2.5 or 3 hours to fully charge the device. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Bose SoundLink Flex in the playlist linked in the description below.